Hello all, welcome to SKS Academy. Let's see physics NEET PYQ question. So question AB is a part of an electric circuit. So this is electric circuit is given that the potential difference between the VA minus VB asking at the instant current I is equal to 2 amperes and increasing rate of 1 ampere per second. Okay. So first of all I is 2 amperes is given and rate of 1 ampere per second. Rate of 1 ampere per second means di by dt is also given. Okay na? So first of all applying voltage at each individual device. Okay na? So first of all at point A, VA current is passing through from left to right. Here positive, negative, same positive, negative, positive, negative at also final VB. Okay na? So at inductor voltage across the inductor formula L into di by dt. L into di by dt. Okay na? So and at battery directly 5 voltage. Next finally at resistor V is equal to IR minus I into R minus VB is equal to 0. Clear? So first of all VA L is given 1 Henry and di by dt 1 minus 5 voltage minus I is current is also 2 amperes and resistance is how much 2 minus VB is equal to 0. So VA minus 1 minus 5 4. Okay na? Finally minus 6 minus 10. So VA minus VB is equal to 10 voltage.